Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you that how you can use or browse the theme in your PowerPoint presentation. So for this you have to go here File and select New. Upon selecting New, you will come here across of multiple uh, PowerPoint presentation templates and you can select from anyone you like from the list. Suppose you want the PowerPoint presentation for infographics, so you can select here infographics, and upon selecting, it will search uh, a million of templates online, and here you can see the result. Here, if you like anyone, you can click on that specific on that specific presentation, and you can use that in your PowerPoint presentation. For example, I like this one for anyone, this one. So I would like to use this in my PowerPoint presentation. So let's select this and create. Upon creation, it will do some processing and download this into your PowerPoint presentation. Here you can see that it is already downloaded, and then you can edit this whatever you like, and you can just adjust your text and add any of the text you like. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.